In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on eBay. Whether you're an experienced seller or just starting out, knowing how to properly send an invoice can be a crucial skill. It helps streamline your selling process, ensures that payments come through smoothly, and provides your buyers with all the necessary information for their purchase. Now let's get started. First, open up your web browser and search for eBay. Click on the first result that comes up. This should take you to the eBay homepage where you'll begin by signing in to your account. Look to the top left corner of the page, and there you should see the Sign In option. Click on it and proceed to log in using your eBay credentials. This will gain you access to your personalized eBay dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the Orders section of your account. You'll generally find this under the My eBay drop-down menu. Under Orders, navigate to where it says Awaiting Payment. This is where any transactions that haven't been completed yet will be listed. Now, locate the specific item for which you would like to send an invoice. Having the buyer's name or username handy can make this process even quicker. Beside the item, you should see an option that reads Send Invoice. Go ahead and click on this. Before sending it off, ensure all the details are correct. Double check everything, including the buyer's information and your details. It's essential to confirm that the shipping address is accurate. Spelling errors or wrong details could delay the delivery or even result in an undelivered item, and that's something we definitely want to avoid. Next, review the shipping method. Make sure you've selected the right one that corresponds to what was initially agreed upon with the buyer. If they requested express delivery or specific shipping instructions, ensure these are reflected accurately. eBay allows you to add your note to the invoice as well. This feature is useful if you want to thank the buyer for their purchase or provide further instructions relevant to the order. Finally, with all these details squared away, it's time to click Send Invoice. This action will formally notify the buyer of the total payment due, including any shipping costs and sales taxes. Once the invoice is sent, the buyer will receive an email notification about the pending payment, bringing you one step closer to finalizing the sale. And that's it. Sending an invoice on eBay is a straightforward process once you know your way around it. It ensures all parties involved are on the same page, facilitates a smooth transaction, and reassures your buyers of professional service. If you have further questions or run into any issues, eBay's help section is always a good resource. Thanks for watching and happy selling.